Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart BMW X6 full guide. Begin by parking close with hoods open and both engines off, then set parking brakes. Connect red clamp to the dead battery positive, then red to donor positive, followed by black to donor negative and black to a grounded metal point on the dead car. Start the donor, wait a few minutes, then start the BMW and remove clamps in reverse order. Before you touch anything, put on gloves and eye protection and ensure no open flames or sparks are nearby. Inspect both batteries for leaks or heavy corrosion and clean terminals gently if required. Keep metal jewelry away from terminals and clamp connections, and always connect the negative clamp to a ground point rather than directly to the dead battery negative to reduce spark risk and protect electronics. If you found these steps useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car videos. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read and oddly calming while you wait for battery to charge, and it might change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you, now let's get back to the video. With clamps attached properly, start the donor car and let it run for 3 to 5 minutes to transfer charge. Attempt to start the BMW. If it fires up, allow it to idle for at least 15 minutes to build charge before driving. Remove clamps in reverse order, keeping them separated and away from engine belts and fans, and test electrical systems. If problems persist, seek professional battery or charging system service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.